Hi dear children, today we have Topographical Survey Map Part 6, Measuring Distance and Calculating Area. While measuring distance, you have to know how to measure the distance along a straight line or distance along a curved line. Curved line may be a curved river or a road or a canal. First we can measure the distance along a straight line, or as the crow flies. The phrase as the crow flies indicate the shortest distance between two given points. First we can see an example to know how to measure the distance along a straight line or as the crow flies. We can measure as the crow flies distance between the settlement of Bhakodar and the Bhatang or DB in the settlement of Anandra. As the crow flies distance between the settlement of Bhakodar and DB in the settlement of Anandra. Let's measure as the crow flies distance between the settlement of Bhakodar and DB in the settlement of Anandra. Settlement of Bhakodar and DB in the settlement of Anandra. First, place a divider. Two legs of the divider are placed on the two given points. Then, place the divider on 15 cm scale and measure the distance. Here, the distance is 4.2 cm. So, as per our scale, 2 cm is equal to 1 kilometer. As the crow flies distance between Bhakodar and DB in the settlement of Anandra is 2.1 kilometer. 4.2 centimeter is equal to 2.1 kilometer. As per the scale of the map, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. In this way, by using a divider and a scale, we can measure as the crow flies distance between any two given points on a topographical survey map. Now we can measure the length of the curved metal rod from the settlement of Vas to the settlement of Vajna. Okay, measuring the distance along the curved metal rod from the settlement of Vas to the settlement of Vajna. Take a piece of thread and put an ink mark on one end. Place the knotted end at the settlement of Vas and move along the curved metal rod along with the thread up to the settlement of Vajna. Mark the end point with an ink dot on the thread. Now, stretch the thread along the linear scale till the marked end. Stretch the thread along the linear scale till the marked end. According to our scale, 2 cm is equal to 1 kilometer. The length of the curved metal road from the settlement of Vas to the settlement of Vachna is 5.4 kilometer. 5.4 kilometer. 5.4 kilometer is the distance of the curved metal road from the settlement of Vas to the settlement of Vachna. In this way, by using a thread or a paper strip, we can measure the length of a curved road, canal or a river on a topo sheet. Dear children, while writing distance, don't forget to write unit. Okay, unit you have to mention correctly. Children, usually complete squares are given to find out area. In case, if incomplete squares are given, you can apply another method which is known as grid square method. In this method, squares of different measurement is given. Here, first you have to note the number of complete squares. Next, squares covered half area are taken as half. And squares covering less than half area are taken as 1/3. Squares covering more than half of the area are taken as 2/3. All the estimated squares are added together and the sum is multiplied by the scale of the area to obtain the desired area. In this way, by counting the squares of various measurements and at last by adding together, we can find out the area of incomplete square. Let's calculate the area. Area is given by the product of length and breadth, or area is equal to L into B. Here we have 2009 topo sheet and a question. Calculate the area in between Eastings 15 and 17 and Northings 01 to 04. We have to calculate the area between Eastings 15 and 17 and Northings 01 to 04. First we have to demarcate the area to be measured. Area between Eastings 15 and 17 and Northings 01 to 04. Next we have to see how many squares are there along its vertical line. How many squares? That is its length. 1, 2, 3. Lengthwise there are 3 squares. L is equal to 3 kilometer. Each square represents 2 centimeter or 1 kilometer. So L is equal to 3 kilometer. 1, 2, 3. Next we can see how many squares are there in between Eastings 15 and 17. 1, 2. Breadth B is equal to 2 kilometer. L is equal to 3 kilometer. B is equal to 2 kilometer. So, area is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6 kilometer square. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 kilometer square. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 kilometer square. So, the area enclosed or area in between Eastings 15 and 17 and Northings 01 to 04 is 6 kilometer square. In this way, we can calculate the area of complete squares. Dear children, I hope that I could help you to calculate distance and area. You are always welcome to clarify your doubts. You can use the comment box. If you like the video, kindly subscribe, like and share. Thank you.